Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we will share with you our stay at the Tent City 1 during our trip to Statue of Unity, which is located in Kevadia district on the Isle of Sadhu-Bet in River Narmada. It is around 90 kilometers from Vadodara and 200 kilometers from Ahmedabad. Tent City 1 is located 10 kilometers from the Statue of Unity. The resort is surrounded by Narmada Canal on one side and Vindhyachal and Satpura mountain range on the other side. Let us now show you around the property and the royal cottage where we stayed, which was inclusive all our meals. The cottage has a spacious front porch for you to sit and enjoy with all other amenities. They also provide bicycles for us to explore the area. You can also opt to go for a nature walk to the sunrise point. They have gym, game zone, spa and a poolside. Apart from that, the booking is inclusive of the entry fees to the Statue of Unity. It is wonderful and peaceful property with amazing scenic view to admire the nature. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed our video. Stay tuned for more videos on places to visit while you are at the Statue of Unity.